Yeah, right. So I got this from Costco to replace the one I have at my bedside, which is all-in-one. I never use that Apple Watch, but the reason I got this one is because it looks like it has another connector where I can charge my iPad at the same time. So if you look at it, you can charge like a second iPhone or an iPad or whatever. So that's what I'm going to use it for, because again, I don't use my Apple Watch. So let's see what's inside. I just kind of took off the seal and let's see what's in there. So this is just covered in plastic. Took it right off. It's one unit. Looks like it's just going to have a little plug for it. Pretty easy. Feels pretty solid. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. So here are the instructions, and since I'm a guy, that's what we do with those. I'm going to open this up and we'll plug it in. So here's the charging unit. I am a little disappointed it doesn't have like a USB one, because I have a USB hookup thing over there. But anyway, this will work obviously, but I would prefer to have a USB one. So you just turn it up like that, and we're going to plug it in. I just dropped it, of course. We're going to plug it in to the little slot in the back here. Again, that's where your extra port is if you want to charge another device. All right, here's the unit. I plugged it in. You know, it's pretty obvious to do. And we'll go ahead and lay this on here and see if we're getting like a little charge signal. There we go, it's charging. And yeah, so phone will charge. That's what I'm filming with right now. We'll put that on there. But I think you need a USB-C for this other controller here to plug in. Yeah, so that's what you'll need. It says added 20 watt USB-C output, so you can see you got another one there to charge another phone, or in my case, iPad. All right, I plugged in my iPad, and you can see that it's charging, kind of. Yeah, it's already 100% charged. But anyway, USB-C on the back there. And so, yeah, you can just set the iPad off to the side, whatever your setup is, obviously. But it's just convenient to be able to do, you know, the phone, the iPod, ear thingies, and then a separate phone or what have you. So there you have it. That's the one I bet everyone's seeing at Costco, the Ubiolabs. Probably made in China, I'm sure. But it looks like it's working pretty good. And so, yeah, there you go. We got the earbuds charging. We got the iPhone charging. It works for any other device that's capable of the IQ or QI charging. And so, there you go. You know, it works pretty well. It just depends on your certain setup. Like I said, for me, I saw it when I was in Costco, just walking around, and you know, I knew I didn't need the one for the watch anymore because I don't use it. But yeah, there you have it. So just to show you, it is charging. A little dimmed out right there, but you see that it is charging on that little stand there, along with the earbuds, and again, the separate USB-C for another charger. All right, take care.